Hello and welcome to our video on composition of transformations. In this video we're basically going to talk about taking a figure and transforming it across two different things, doing it twice. And basically there are many ways you can do this. Basically it's applying one transformation to a figure and then applying another. So it could be a reflection and a rotation, it could be two reflections, it could be two slides, it could be, anytime we apply two things to one thing, we move it once and then apply another transformation to that movement, we end up with the composition of transformations. So let's do an example here. So in our first one here we have the vertices, we have the point -1 and 0, so back 1, up 0, point there. We have 4, 0, so it's over 4, up nothing, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finally we have 2 over 6 up. And so I think that's right. Wait, I think I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did. So that point should be actually right there. So if I connect these, this will be my starting triangle ABC. And so then let's label these. And so now they want me to transform this, so I'm going to translate it by the rule x is -6, y is -5. So over here, a prime is going to be, well, if I subtract 6 from -1, I get -7, and if I subtract 5 from 0, I get -5. A b prime, then if I subtract -6 from 4, I get -2. And if I subtract 5 from 0 again, this time I get -5. And then c prime, if I subtract 6 from 2, I get -4. And if I subtract 5 from 6, I get +1. So then my new triangle, my first transformation, is going to be back 7 and down 5. So I have a point there, and then back 2 and down 5, and then back 4, and up 1. So it looks like that. And so then my triangle that I get out of this one should look something like this. And so these are my points A prime, B prime, and C prime. And then finally, if I apply this rule to it, I will get a new triangle, and this will be my transformation. So I did one slide, now I'm going to do another slide to it. And so now I'm applying it to these points over here. And so then a double prime will be adding 14 to -7, which gives me +7, and adding 3 to -5, which is -2. B double prime we'll be doing the same thing. Adding 14 to -2 gives me 12, and adding 3 to -5 gives me -2. And then C double prime, adding 14 to -4 is 10, and adding 3 to 1 is 4. So it looks like it's going to be over here somewhere. And so if I count 7 over, and 2 down, there is a double prime, and then 12 over, so 1, 2, 3, 2 down, there's B double prime, and then 10 over, and 4 up, there is C double prime. So if I connect these, that will be my composition of transformation. So just remember, as you guys are doing these, when we're doing a composition, it's basically just do one transformation and then act on that second transformation to get the third one. And that's really all we're trying to do. So here's my final answer. A double prime, oops, B double prime is over here, and C double prime is at the top. And so when we are doing this, remember, do one transformation first, slide it to where it's supposed to be, and then transform that final one from the second one, and that will be your composition. So from the red to the black is my final answer. This is our video on transformations, composition transformations. If you have any questions, please come to class prepared to ask them. Thank you.